God, what could I do without you? Everybody I go around, they love me and they always love me, and that's just the truth. Y'all, post office, you said, where do I go to take pictures? Me not gonna Walgreens and you tell me, say, listen now, it time I run late. Me I wonder if I go post office because me I gonna need the pictures them for send go give me a turn. So go post office instead. Post office say lock, but me see post office you have to set an appointment. If you go take passport size picture, lady move around. CVS. Excuse me, miss. Hi. Do you know where I could go to take a passport size picture? Oh, your hair is lovely.
Probably CVS or a real CVS.
Welcome back to the channel, guys. Big up on a nice clean self. It's your girl Star. If you're new here, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. It's not too late to be a part of the family. Now, guys, when I know IVANY moving a nice, clean, luxury apartment, you know, boy, the apartment is really luxury, but I'll tell you, it's very luxurious. Anyways, in order for it to be fully luxurious, it needs setting up. And if you don't know our girl IVANY now pay $1 to set up that. Worse if she can do it herself, right? So, we're independent ladies, them there, yeah. Anyways, if we can hold a little hammer and knock 2 nails, we are going to do it. If we can hold a little drill and drill 2 little screw in one little part, one part, we are going to do it. And when time we can't do it, we get somebody for do it. I love the independence. Anyways, the last time she set up her apartment, guys, I stayed in her belly. So she never had to worry about who she had bad a certain way. But now that ice ban and him little bit and cute but spoil and love him and she have problems. Woody can't set up the little place in peace because if she do it in the afternoon, him have to in her hand straight. Can we go ball? And if she wait until him going in bed, a problem and judgment same way because you know the little tapping with the hammer and the drilling with the drill, I will definitely wake him up. But I could jump down in the video and say, oh goody, I make it out.
Yeah, water there. So yeah, balls so feel long and I go on so. Show them my face where I cry. Stop stiff out can you know man, you see, make them see. Your face where I ball on your place. Where tears there? Where you scream, where tears there? The man pit out that and I say me give me passive and he pit out that. But me sorry for him because some I put up one and some I go for him and put up another one. But that's not one thing cry for long. I told something I get her one. Alright, 1 minute again.
I say dry cry, you know. Him say dry cry. Look like him SIZZLA KALONJI do the song fam.
I got my face. You think about ice. And meat that gonna knock out cold. Fuck for no. And meat that gonna knock out cold. And it look good up there in the top too, guys. I don't think it look good. See me with a butter bruise face now, I'm not joke. Get man. I thought I said I fought I do. I know in me, I'm not going to bed until I fix it. No mistake. Watch this one here with this something that drop now, sir. Y'all, soda is the best.
Soda the best now. So Ivan and I understand now, say when she drink the whole heap of soda and the whole heap of sweet and eat the whole heap of chocolate and the baby suck back the whole heap of sugar there from she, it kind of basically keep him up. Because eyes do not sleep for like, I pair post snap eyes take, So she not kind of understand the like a part they eat. You understand? And if you go over live and tell her maybe you get a one block, so prefer you left it.
As Gina. I'm coming. You my baby, you love mommy. Alright. Alright. Me and you go lay down. Alright, come. Alright. Me and you go lay down. Tomorrow I'm fix them. Alright. Come know me now just asleep right now. I'm going through ice stuff them in mushroom. I must say my man, them a wait for come home so they want to see who not me know, but me tell you this. Bomba clat, what? Like a girl set for me, man. I want to tell a girl this, say, if I wait, for my man to come knock my door, my love. For me let him in face, he's still up in a couple months, them though. So for me, go buy all them expensive sneakers there right now, you know what I'm saying? By March, them they can't fit him. some cute little thing for match them here in a Target. If I go in a Target right now, I find some of them things similar to them. I have an idea for him in second in 2-month birthday. I have an idea for this. So somebody pizza. Nice little idea. I soon start my go for company, you know, wait. Then just want to see ice platform and see ice big. Yeah, right. Thank you, William. I'll be at 30,000 views. I don't know where them have view at the ice page. You might get photo shoot, man. But me not just want. The thing is that me not just want go right now. Go get some simple photo shoot. Yeah. I mean, I just dress him up just to go get photo shoot. Just simple like I saw. In my face. I have to know so at least I put on in clothes and we go somewhere. I will just go get some photo shoot that day too. Bomba clot. Tell her. Them a socks ya only wear goat. Sorry. I can't put them in your jar. Go in your jar. I can't understand. Then again, when I start really pack out my window, where is my flat iron and my things then? You can't find my flat iron. I can't even put it down to put them in the machine because I just can't bother for here. You start alright, come on, video. I want to know if every time I feed him, he might go burp. I feel something alright. Well, one time I used to feed him in a burp, but not burp. Not now we're no time out. Now all of a sudden no time out. I call the doctor tomorrow. What I mean? I milk. Like when you know when baby burp. But why it happens so often? You know if it happens so often. You never used to happen so. So I can. Like, I let you cut me a talk. May I talk like, you know? Okay. Oh, you overfeed. So why am I drinking for then? You know what I'm you know, feel same belly full. You know if you drink no more. Enough you say belly full, enough to drink no more. Where am I drinking for? Me I come. Ice not out the ball, Mr. Me coming. I need to start, man. Something seriously wrong with you.